Let's talk about how to become taller in 1 week. There are ways to grow taller naturally, even when it is past your age for growing. For a risk-free method, there are basic things you must do in order to achieve this. Follow these simple methods to make a difference and you'll be sure to add a couple of inches or more in just 1 week naturally. 1. Stretching exercises. It's key to do some exercises that are designed to stretch bones in your legs and spine. For increasing height, stretching exercises are recommended. Regular exercising strengthens the back that gives you better posture and support. You can try exercises such as bar hanging, Cobra stretch, using ankle weights, Pilates rollover, forward spine stretch, and reach for the sky. Yoga and meditation is also recommended as they require concentration and a lot of stretching. You can try these workouts at home and do not need to go to the gym. These can also be done in less than 2 hours and 3 times a week. Stretching increases the flexibility of the spine and optimizes your chances of growing taller. With a flexible spine and good posture, your vertebrae cannot bear added pressure. The cartilage between them is not squeezed and can easily soak fluids within them. It then involuntarily lengthens the spine and makes you look 2 to 3 inches taller. Physical activities can help you grow taller, such as swimming, running, skipping, tennis, cycling, and basketball. Do remember that the increase in height all depends on your genes, fitness and diet. 2. Get enough sleep. If you want to grow in height, it helps to get enough sleep. While resting or sleeping, the production of human growth hormone is most high. 8 to 9 hours sleep every night is recommended. Your sleeping positions should also be taken into consideration also. While sleeping, make sure your spine is not curved. It's important that your mattress is not too soft. Try to sleep with a thin pillow or none at all, and try to sleep on your back, not on your side, to help you avoid curving. Sleeping with extended legs and arms will naturally lengthen your spine. During sleep, the body grows. Therefore, the more you sleep, the more time the body gets for growth. Inadequate sleep reversely affects the production of human growth hormone and therefore stunts your growth. 3. Eat healthy. To increase your height, nutrition plays a big part in this, therefore it's necessary to maintain a healthy diet as this affects the production of human growth hormone in the body. Include proteins, fresh fruits and leafy vegetables in your diet. The following food that are high in protein are milk, eggs, whole grains, lentils, tofu, lean meat, chicken, liver, cottage and other types of cheese. You will also need other trace elements like magnesium. These can include peanuts, cashew nuts, spinach or palak, broccoli, cabbage, corn, and asparagus. Vitamins and minerals should also be included, much like vitamin A, D and calcium as they promote the growth and health of bones. You should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, as this helps flush out toxins from the body, and excess fat does not get deposited. Avoid carbohydrates, soft drinks, sugary and rich fatty foods, as they make your hormones function improperly. Caffeine and liquor should be avoided or consumed at a minimum. Growing taller may not show results immediately. This requires patience. If you do want to get results, you should follow procedures properly. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you want to learn more about self-care, good health, and many more, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your experience with us in the comments below.